North End area, Shepherd's Bush. We're talking about London here. Hammersmith. It is infested with these gangs, and they are all from the same gang. And they are like spies. There are spies everywhere that see me. You know, every other hour I'm being called a snitch. You know, a guy on a bicycle, oh, you snitch. Another guy on a moped, oh, you snitch. Today, I was following a Honda SH. It was grey and it was being driven erratically. The moment I saw it, I realised I had to pay extra attention to this guy. You just made someone crash.
Yeah?
You've just made someone crash.
Did I?
Yeah, you did. Go back.
I'll go back. I know who you are, bro.
Yeah, you know what? Go back.
Is it my fault?
Yeah, it was your fault. Drive like a lunatic.
Huh?
Go back.
That way.
No, go back the normal way. Bro, you're driving like a lunatic. Go back, man. Oh my god, man. I think this bike's stolen. Let's see what this guy does. Come on, I'm waiting for you. Yeah, I'm following you because you drove off from the scene.
I don't know, I'm going back.
Alright, until I see you're with the guy, I'll leave. No worries, no worries. You alright, bro? The guy is gone, man. The guy is gone. You're driving it like it's stolen, man.
Sorry, bro.
It's not. No, don't say sorry to me.
I know,
but the guy's working.
I know you got that on video, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Upload on it.
The guy, bro. The guy is working. You're driving like you stole the bike, and he come off his bike. He drops on the floor, and you drive off.
I didn't know he dropped. Sorry,
You, bro. 100% you knew. Sorry. He was right next to you. Don't say sorry to me. Don't say sorry to me.
Back, the guy's not here.
It's a Pizza Hut store.
I'm on YouTube, like.
Bro, that's down to me. That's down to.
I'm asking you. You've got my face. Look at it.
Of course.
Can you not put me on?
This is what I do. I record.
Yeah, but I'm asking you. Can you not?
Don't matter how many times you ask.
I'm not being rude or anything. I'm asking.
I'm not trying to be rude.
Yeah, but I'm just asking
for
you
me,
nicely, bro. Can you not?
it don't matter how you ask. It don't matter how you ask. It's up to you, man. Don't thank me, bro. Just be safe, man. You're gonna kill yourself. I swear to God, you're gonna kill yourself. It was only till after, when I saw the footage, that I recognized something very revealing. Go back 1 week and I had noticed a black T-Max, probably stolen, with an upside down number plate. On board there were 2 people, 2 youths, they looked very young, who were probably joyriding this bike and up to no good. At the time I couldn't follow these guys because I was assigned to a dispatch, and because of that all I could do was ask them a question as they drove by. Yo, you guys alright?
Yeah.
Why is your number plate upside down? Now, why am I mentioning this story today from this clip? Well, I'm kicking myself for not holding that guy back and waiting for the police to come. Because there's a link between the 2 clips. There's a massive link. The helmet that this guy who caused the accident today was wearing is a customized and very distinctive helmet. It's a small size helmet, which I can tell, it's matte black and it has a black visor. These are 3 distinct features. North End area, Shepherd's Bush, we're talking about London here, Hammersmith. It is infested with these gangs, and they are all from the same gang, and they are like spies. There are spies everywhere that see me. Sometimes I look over my shoulder and there's a kid in the corner filming me. When I drive by, they call on me, "Oi snitch, oi snitch, oi snitch." When I'm working, I look over my shoulder, I have 2 teenagers by themselves recording me. These guys, may be low level, but it's intelligence building. Just as I'm doing intelligence work, seeing where these guys hang out, trying to locate these stolen bikes, they're doing the same thing. About a week, 2 weeks ago, I've just been getting noticed, and these kids are everywhere. They are everywhere. They're in gangs. I'll show you different pictures from my Instagram. Okay, they have access to stolen bikes and they are very dangerous people. Don't let their size fool them. Okay, a 12-year-old, a 13-year-old, a 15, a 16-year-old with a knife big enough could do damage. And this is what we got to avoid. This is why I do the work that I do. I've got a lot of other footage that I don't show that I'm working on. But I know what these guys are getting up to. And the reason I'm forced to do all this stuff is because if I don't do it, then who's going to do it? The next thing I know, if I don't do this work, I'm going to be dragged off my bike again. I'm going to be attacked. I know guys that have had acid thrown in their face. I know guys that have been stabbed. Either you attack or be attacked. Either you follow and be proactive, or just accept that you're going to be the next victim. And when you're in a job like mine, where you're on the road 50, 60 hours a week, it's not if, it's when. It's when you're going to be attacked. It's not an if anymore.